guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Want to share with you guys the Walgreens ad preview for next week. So I know a lot of people are under mandate stay at home. I know a lot of states are doing that. The county next to mine is doing a mandate stay at home order that's going to start on Thursday and go 2 weeks until I believe it was April 6th. So still waiting to see if they're going to be doing that with my county as well. I do need a couple more food items, so I may run to Walmart either today or tomorrow and try to do an essentials haul for you guys. We need some more items like cheese, milk, bread, just kind of things like that to get us through during that stay-at-home process. We are working from home, so that's good. I don't have to travel an hour away and an hour back, so that's always a blessing. I do want to still go over this ad preview with you guys and keep my channel consistent, so that way if you do have to go out and you do have to buy some items for yourself or a family member, you guys can still grab them for cheap, so you're not having to, be out of budget during this time when we're all trying to stock up a little more than usual. So I wanted to bring you guys the ad preview. These deals are going to start on Sunday, the 29th, and go through the following Saturday, which is going to be April 4th. So I can't believe April is already here. 2020 has definitely been crazy already, and it's only been 3 months. So hopefully the rest of the year kind of levels out and we can get back to the swing of things. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you guys will be notified when I do post new deals or where you guys can stock up on some essentials. I did post a coupon insert preview video if you haven't watched that yet. We're getting 4 inserts on Sunday. We're getting our P&G insert for April. So what you guys can do is either, of course, buy an insert, or if you want to buy a couple coupons online, that way you can still get some savings. I'm still going to buy at least 1 paper like I usually do when the P&G comes out, because some of those coupons do last 2, 3, or 4 weeks as far as their expiration date. So I'm definitely still going to grab a newspaper. I will be doing my must-do deals like usual. I will post that tomorrow. And I have a giveaway going on right now. So in my Walgreens online haul that I posted for you guys on Monday, I do have a giveaway that you guys can enter. I'll be giving away all of the inserts as well as some other beauty and relaxation items for you guys while we're all stuck at home. So after this video, make sure you head over there. I will have it linked at the end and in the description box so you guys can enter that giveaway. I will be choosing the winner of that giveaway on Friday in my Walgreens must-do deals. So once I announce the winner, you will have 2 days to shoot me an email, and that way I can get those products out to you. So make sure you have that notification bell clicked so you don't miss out when I post the winner. It could, of course, be you. So let's go ahead and dive right into the Walgreens ad preview. So we have Tide and Tide Pods. Those have been flying off the shelves quite a bit. We are getting the $2 coupon in the P&G insert. My region doesn't get it, so I will be printing it on pgeveryday.com. And then you can print out one of those coupons for the Tide Liquid and one for the Tide Pods. Easter is right around the corner, so we are having more cute little Easter deals, bunnies. There's going to be a lot of candy. These are super cute right here, these Lindor chocolates shaped as little carrots. Buy one, get one half off is happening for the Scott. So we will be getting a new Walgreens Book of Savings. So new IVC coupons, and the $1.25 off the Scott products is not going to be in the April month Walgreens Book of Savings coupons. So make sure you guys pick that up when you head into Walgreens next week. They are completely free. Most stores have them, and they're located right next to the weekly ad. So you can always get printable coupons for Scott products on scottbrand.com or kleenex.com. Those are 2 different areas you can get that. So for Kellogg's cereal, we have a 50-cent coupon. So final cost would be just $1.38. That is definitely a great item. The expiration dates are usually pretty far out, and you can always have some cereal for breakfast, lunch, something like that, just to kind of snack on. Revlon is 30% off And when you buy 2, you're getting a $5 register reward. So that could make for some really good deals there. Soft soap is $4.99. We're getting a $1 off coupon digital. It says online, so that's great. I'll try to put together another online haul for you guys, see what kind of items we can get. And you're going to get $5 back in points when you buy 2. So that could make out for a good deal. If you use 2 of the $1 off coupons, you'd wind up paying $7.98 out of pocket, get back the $5 extra buck. So final cost would be just, or I'm sorry, not a $5 extra buck, 5,000 points. So a final cost on that would be $1.49, not a bad deal. Secret and Old Spice is 2 for $10. And when you buy 2, you get a $5 register reward. We do have coupons in the Sunday paper coming, so that could be a decent deal as well. Arizona tea is on sale again, 2 for $1. You do have to buy 2 to get that price point. So if you only buy 1, it's going to be 99 cents. So you may as well grab 2. Those are good filler items if you are shopping in store and you have a register reward that you need to use. Remember, register rewards do expire. So make sure you go through your coupon book or wherever you keep your coupons for Walgreens. Make sure if you have a register reward, you head in store and use that before it expires. Buy one, get one free on Arm & Hammer. Usually we'll get a buy one, get 2 free deal, so definitely not the best deal as far as savings on that one. $2.99 for Folgers, that's a good deal, and $3.99 for the Nice brand K-Cups. Buy one, get one free on Nice dozen large eggs, grade A or grade AA. So that would be a good deal, especially to stock up to get 2 dozen at a buy one, get one free price. You can use points and stuff to pay down your out-of-pocket. Coffee Mate, these are the small ones, limit of 4. They're on sale 2 for $3. So this, you would have to bring this coupon up with you guys. It is in the Walgreens ad, and you can grab one completely free at the counter. Oh, I just saw some vinegar here. I need to stock up on vinegar actually, so I'll probably buy that. That's only 99 cents. That's not a bad deal. Some cheap dinner deals here. Buy one, get one free. So you can have spaghetti night, grab a pasta, get a Prego sauce free. We do have some Prego coupons, I believe. Buy one, get one free on the Parmesan cheese as well. If you want to buy a ground turkey, you can grab one for just $1.99 for 1 pound. Make a little meat sauce. That way you have some protein, some carbs, more of a well-rounded dinner, and then that is a cheap and easy dinner idea. Okay, Solid White. This one's definitely my favorite. On sale 4 for $5. Or you can get the Chunky Light on sale, 5 of them for just $4. What else? 79 cents on Kraft macaroni and cheese. 2 for $4.99. I think the current week they're on sale 2 for $4. So better deal is to grab these the current week for the Cheez-Its. 2 for $5, not a bad deal on Doritos and Lay's. Let's see, a couple more candy deals. 2 for $3 on King Size, 2 for $3 on Trolley. I absolutely love gummies more than like any other candy in the world. So I try not to buy those because I just will eat the entire bag in one sitting, which is awful. Don't ever do that. It's so bad. Let's see. Drop a comment. Let me know what your favorite candy is. If there's one candy that you kind of have to close your eyes when you walk down. Anytime I go see a movie, I always get gummies as well because I just love them. Anytime you can get a good gummy, it's just a win. $1.88 on Nature's Valley. I believe we have 50% off 2 coupons that are still valid from previous inserts. Welch's Fruit Snacks. Look how cute with the little bunnies and eggs and stuff. My boyfriend's daughter loves Welch's Fruit Snacks. So they're buy one, get one half off. Probably grab some more of those because guess what? I ate them all. What else? Twin pack plus twin pack equals $8. Okay, so if they have more of these in store, obviously the disinfecting wipes have been completely cleared out of any store that I've been to for probably a month now. The second they restock, they're gone again. But these are 2 for $8. Typically they're $4 each, so you would be saving $1 on a pack, so not a bad deal there. Again, if they're in store, so we'll have to see. $6.99 for hefty bags, not a bad deal there. Dixie plates are back again, buy one, get one half off, and $1 off 2 digital coupon. We have some different toilet paper deals here. I haven't found toilet paper in about a month as well. If you do find any of these in store, they're definitely not bad deals. Let's see, some different laundry care items. Clorox, 2 for $5. What else? Some photos. Nothing else here. Let's keep going. Some more different candy deals. Peeps. I know kids love Peeps. You know what would probably be tasty if you do a s'mores, but instead of a normal marshmallow, you put a Peep in there. That would probably be kind of tasty. Let's see. Aw, cute little sloth. I love sloths. Those are cute. $5.99 for little Easter basket fillers. Nothing else too crazy. Okay, so body wash deals, 2 for $12, $1 off 2 digital coupon. We are getting some coupons in the Sunday paper as well. Buy one, get one half off of the cleansing and nourishing body wash. Soft soap and hand soap, buy one, get one half off, and get 4,000 points when you buy 4. You can always check softsoap.com, see if they have any printable coupons available. Get a $4 register reward when you buy 2 Essie products. What else? Rimmel, buy one, get one half off, and a $4 off coupon when you buy 2. Okay, buy one, get one half off on Gillette and Venus. We had a couple good digital coupons that came available for this week, so make sure you check and send those to your card. Could make for some pretty good deals. They are buy one, get one half off. So the current week, they were $9.99 to $19.99, and you had to spend $20. There's no such thing as a 98% rule at Walgreens. You have to spend the exact amount. So a lot of the deals at Walgreens, I feel like they make them tricky on purpose, which drives me nuts, but what are you gonna do? Dove and Degree deodorant, pretty good deal here. Buy one, get one half off, 3,000 points when you buy 3. Secret, there is a $2 off coupon coming as well. Okay, Crest. Let's see what we can do here. So they're 2 for $8. There's a $3 off 2 digital coupon, makes them 2 for $5. And get a $2 register reward when you buy 2. Not the best deal. I definitely was hoping for something better. That makes the final cost $1.50 each. That is awful. I would definitely stay away from that. I mean, unless you absolutely need it and you don't have any, usually we get these for 50 cents or sometimes we get money makers on those. Colgate, there's a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. They are $3.99 each. So when you buy 3, that's $11.97. Use that $5 digital coupon. You would pay $6.97 out of pocket and get back that $5 register or the 5,000 points. So final cost would be $1.97 for 3 or 65 cents each. Not a bad deal. That's obviously definitely better price point than the Crest. Pretty slow week next week, to be honest. I don't really know not really many deals that kind of pop out at me. Huggies and Pull-Ups are on sale 2 for $18 and a $5 register reward when you spend $25. So you'd have to buy 3 of those. That's another one of those tricky deals that they do. This one is 2 for $18 for the Pampers and Easy Ups. We do have $3 off 2 coupons coming in the PG insert on Sunday. We usually get digitals as well, so that might be a good deal if you need to stock up on some more diapers. And vitamins, buy one, get one half off. Supplements as well. Ricola, there is a $1 off 2 coupon coming in our new Walgreens Book of Savings, so the new IVC coupons, and a $1 off 2 online. So final cost would be 2 for $3. Sometimes we'll get like a checkout 51 offer, $1 back on 2, so we'll have to double check, see if there's any better deals. Claritin, we have a ton of coupons coming, so if this is a product that you need, definitely a good time to purchase that. Dulcolax, I believe we have a $3 Ibotta rebate. So if you probably picked that up at Walmart, I think it makes it free with the coupon that we have. And that is it. So again, if you are new to couponing at Walgreens and you haven't signed up for their email blast list, if you go to walgreens.com/email, you can sign up and get a free 5,000 points, which can definitely help you get started couponing to rack up your points and get register rewards. That is how we pay so little out of pocket. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, make sure you drop a comment. If you haven't entered my newest giveaway yet, click this video here. It's in my Walgreens online haul. I also posted a video on Fetch Rewards, one of my favorite apps that I use to get free gift cards. So when I shop at CVS, when I say I pay $0 out of pocket, that is how. I use the gift cards from Fetch Rewards. So if you haven't seen that video, click on that video as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.